What if you could open ChatGPT right now, paste in a single prompt, and get back something actually useful in under a minute? Not generic, not robotic, something that sounds like it was written for your specific situation. That's exactly what the 5 prompt starter pack is built to do. And today I'm going to show you how it works. My name is Carl, and if you've been watching this channel, you know I'm all about making AI simple and practical for everyday people. A lot of you grabbed the free prompt anatomy cheat sheet, and thank you for that. The feedback I keep hearing is, this finally makes sense, but I need to see it in action. That's exactly why I built this. The 5 prompt starter pack is a $7 PDF with 5 ready-to-use prompts covering the 5 things most people actually need help with every single day: writing, summarizing, planning, social media, and emails. 5 tasks, 5 prompts, all copy-paste ready. Each one comes with the prompt itself, a real filled-in example using plain everyday language, a pro tip to get even better results, and an explanation of why the prompt works the way it does. No guessing, no starting from scratch. You open the PDF, find the task you need, copy the prompt, fill in your details, and send it. That's it. Let me show you one of these prompts right now so you can see exactly what I mean. This is the email prompt. Most people sit down to write an email and spend way too long staring at a blank screen. With this prompt, that's gone. Here's what you type into ChatGPT. You are an email copywriter who specializes in writing clear, human emails for everyday people and small creators. Email type, welcome email, recipient, someone who just downloaded a free resource from my website and wants to learn more about using AI. My goal: make them feel welcome, remind them what they received, and let them know what to expect next. Tone: warm, simple, encouraging. Under 180 words. That's the whole prompt. You paste that in, hit send, and in about 10 seconds you have a complete welcome email that actually sounds like a human wrote it. And if you don't love it, you just say make it shorter or make it sound more casual, and it adjusts instantly. This is what the starter pack gives you for 5 different tasks, each one structured exactly like that. Role, context, task, format, tone, all done for you. Now I want to be straightforward with you about the price. $7. That's it. I kept it low on purpose because I know what it's like to feel like you're constantly spending money trying to figure things out online and not getting anywhere. This is not that. This is a practical tool you'll use today, tomorrow, and next week. And if it saves you even 30 minutes of frustration on just one task, it's already paid for itself 10 times over. Here is what you get inside the 5 prompt starter pack. Prompt 1 for writing: turn any rough idea into polished content in minutes. Prompt 2 for summarizing: condense any long article, video, or document into clear key points instantly. Prompt 3 for planning: build a simple step-by-step action plan for any goal, even if you have no idea where to start. Prompt 4 for social media: write scroll-stopping posts for any platform without sounding salesy or fake. Prompt 5 for emails: craft clear, professional emails for any situation in seconds. Every prompt is ready to copy. Every prompt has a filled-in example. Every prompt tells you exactly why it works. The link to grab it is in the description below. It's $7, it's instant download, and you can be using it within the next 5 minutes. And if you haven't grabbed the free Prompt Anatomy cheat sheet yet, that link is in the description too. Start there if you're brand new, then come back and grab the starter pack when you're ready to put it into action. If this video helped you see what's possible, hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. And subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll see you in the next one.